part 2, guys, of me reacting to Steve Gets the Sniffles. Don't sniff those. There's a clue.
We still need to find 2 more clues.
Gosh, I just said 2 more clues.
Oh, wait.
2 more clues.
You see another clue? Another blues clue?
Blues?
Where?
On the ball, buddy. Yes.
Look at that. On the table.
Yep.
There's a bowl. Is on that bowl. So
Oh, her paw prints on
our
it.
second clue is this bowl.
This bowl. Yeah, you're sniffling again, buddy.
You know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Okay. A bowl.
Bowl.
Looks like, well, there's a circle at the top.
Circle.
And a curve here and over here. And we have a bowl. So, we're trying to figure out what I need to feel better.
Yes.
What was our first clue?
It was spoon.
A spoon.
I couldn't
right.
remember it either, actually.
And now we have a bowl.
A bowl.
So what could Blue think I need to feel
Boom,
better?
boom, boom.
With a spoon and a bowl. What do you think I need to feel better?
Something to eat.
You know, I think we need to find our last blues clue.
Meal time, meal time. Here's a meal it never fails. It makes me wonder. Meal! He can't do it because of his sniffles. Meal. Is Mailbox sniffly too? Well, he doesn't even have a nose.
You know what you need to feel better, Steve?
Oh, please tell me.
You need your last clue.
Your last clue, of course. I knew you were going to say that. I thought you were going to say a letter of people saying, get better.
A letter? I just happen to have a letter right here.
Yep.
Cool.
Cool.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter.
Woo! The woo parts.
It's a letter from
I don't know if it's people saying, hope you get...
Hi, Steve. I'm going for a checkup.
Oh, he's going for a check.
Take a look in your ears, sir, okay?
Ooh, that tickles.
We're looking pretty good in there. Let me take a listen to your chest, your heart.
There's Blue's Clues in his poster, in that doctor's poster. Blue's Clues would have been like, that's on its 2nd season at this point. So I wonder if the doctor, he put it in his office. Wow, that's funny about Blue's Clues. It still was kind of new at this point, though.
That's pretty cool. I can hear my own heart.
Yeah, you can hear your heart, buddy. I don't know if that doctor's still alive, because this was like 1997.
Bye, Blue. Bye, Steve.
Bye.
You know,
Potentially rest in peace to that doctor if he's not with us.
Steve, Blue.
are you calling me?
No, somebody else is. I'm not doing it.
Come on.
I couldn't tell who was calling him.
Oh, look.
Oh, shit. Finally.
This-
I've been waiting for you to finish my story.
This girl.
Oh, that's right. Remember, Blue, we never finished reading that story.
I need you to turn this page so I know what happens next.
I'm
Oh,
so
yes.
sorry,
That's...
Sis. Friends came over. I'm feeling a little. Hey, why don't we finish the story and then look for more blues clues? Okay?
Blue's Clues. Never mind. Blue wants to skidoo.
Wow, did you see that? You know, Blue's right. The best way to read a book is to just.
Looks like it's a rainy thingy. Yep. Let's do it. Let's get 2. Weekend 2. Can he not? Oh, he was gonna sneeze.
Whoa,
It's rainy. It must be a rainy story.
wow. Look at these pages.
Oh, that means
We're in a
wow.
book. Let's read. Okay, so
Where's the words?
cold and rainy day.
One cold rainy day.
Oh, that was a bad idea. 'Cause I have the sniffles, and I don't even have my.
It's in your pocket.
Cool. Okay, so one cold and rainy day,
Little girl.
named
Jill.
Hi, Jill.
Hi, Steve.
Jill is her name.
So, one
Hmm.
cold rainy day, a little
Hmm.
girl named Jill
Named
came
Jill.
outside to play.
Play.
But it got too rainy.
There she was. She was playing. Yep,
Jill.
playing away.
We have to turn the page.
Huh?
Oh, turn the page like Bob Seger.
Turn the page.
Turn the page. Turn the page.
Okay,
Yes.
so the little girl, she there are no pictures on this page.
You have to figure out what happens next.
Will you help me?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Mr. Rain Man. He looks like Ted
Let's
from
just try reading
Curious
this.
George now.
So the story began on
Or that Madeline girl or something, I think, that has that yellow.
something day.
I can't remember that character's name.
What kind of day was it?
Book
outside?
character. Yep.
Oh, rainy.
Right.
Rainy. Cold and rainy.
So, on this cold, rainy day, a little girl named Jill came outside to
Play.
what did she come outside to do?
He's looking. They're looking at you as creepy. Play.
Play. Right.
She has that ball.
Play.
Play. It's the Pixar ball too, I thought.
Jump rope.
The jump rope.
Play. Jump. Ooh, shiver.
And what was Jill wearing on this cold, rainy day?
A dress. Jill.
A dress.
Yes.
A dress. Only a dress.
Yeah, she needs something else, like a
What do you think
raincoat.
happened next in Jill's story?
She probably went back inside or something.
Jill got all
Wet and cold.
She got sick.
Oh no, Jill's gonna get.
I didn't have my raincoat on, or my hat, or my boots.
See?
So you're gonna have to go inside and.
Okay. Let's see what happens next.
Poor Jill.
Turn the page.
On the page. So Jill. Oh, Jill.
So, Jill went to bed, what did she do?
She went to sleep. To get well.
She rested. Rest.
Rest.
Turn the page. Oh, and then she drank lots of
Juice.
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 soon she was feeling much better.
Awesome. You just need to rest.
The end. Bye.
Bye, Jill.
You know, you're really good at this reading business.
Thank you.
A
Clue.
No, you really. I mean, I wouldn't kid you.
No. A clue.
Clue, buddy.
Oh, you see a
I see a clue.
There's a clue here now.
Yes.
And there wasn't before. Wow.
But
right
there is
here
now,
in
buddy.
Jill's story. You know what we need?
It's
Our
vegetables.
hand with eyes
Not eyes.
and a celery stick
Celery stick.
with
Vegetables.
some lines.
Vegetables.
There. Well,
Third clue.
we have
3
our
clues.
last clue.
Yep.
Do you know what this means?
Yes.
We're ready for our
Thinking chair.
turn the page.
To the page. Thinking chair.
Thinking chair.
I want to take all that off. I think green is more of his color. Oh, it came off. Okay.
Now that we're in our thinking chair,
Thinking chair.
let's
Bing. Oh no, he's gonna sneeze again. Okie dokie.
So what could Blue think I need to feel better?
Feel better with
A spoonable
spoonable
and vegetables.
soup. soup.
Do you think maybe Blue wants me to do the vegetable dance?
No, you
Throw
can't.
it in a bowl?
What the heck? No, buddy. All right, we're gonna end part 2 right here. Stay tuned for part 3.